Rishi Kapoor's shocking prediction about his death. The whole Bollywood industry is still in shock after losing their beloved Chintu ji. This is more shocking that Rishi Kapoor stated about his own death predictions 3 years back. Yes, you heard it right. Exactly 3 years ago, our beloved actor Rishi Kapoor predicted about his own demise and funeral rituals in 2017. It seems quite unnatural at this hard time. As we have already known about this fact that on 30th April, Rishi ji left this mundane world forever. Unfortunately, our country is going through a tough time due to contagious coronavirus. And for this reason, all transportations have been strictly prohibited all over India. Just for this reason, many celebrities and relatives couldn't attend Rishi Kapoor's last journey. When all the final rituals were proceeding, only some of Kapoor family's members and close friends were present there. This whole scenario was really unexpected when the place is like Bollywood and the ritual is Rishi Kapoor's final journey. There was no media or news channel to cover the whole procedure due to lockdown. Only 26 relatives and close friends could attend Rishi ji's funeral. Even his daughter Ridhima came at the 11th hour to see her father for the last time. This is true that if there is no lockdown due to deadly coronavirus, this crisis won't happen at Rishi ji's final journey. But do you know, Rishi Kapoor already predicted this situation 3 years back? On 20th April 2020, exactly 3 years ago, Rishi ji said something uncanny about his death that became truth now. Fact is, on 27 April 2020, this industry lost their another legendary actor, Vinod Khanna. He was also suffering from cancer. At that time, no young actor came and attended his last journey. That time Rishi ji was heartbroken by losing his dear friend Vinod Khanna and got angry with those young actors. Always straightforward, Rishi ji couldn't control his emotions on Vinod Khanna's death and tweeted that, "Shameful, not one actor of this generation attended Vinod Khanna's funeral, and that too he has worked with them. Must learn to respect." Even after that, he also commented that there is no need to come and attend his funeral also. And again he retweeted his emotion and wrote, "Why this, including mine and thereafter? When I die, I must be prepared. None will shoulder me. Very angry today's so-called stars." It seems like his prediction of his own death became a harsh truth. Coincidentally, the same thing happened at Rishi ji's funeral. When he left, no one literally couldn't give him shoulder except his son Ranbir and his brothers. The whole Bollywood industry is mourning after losing their legendary actor Rishi Kapoor. There is no doubt that superstar and versatile actor like Rishi Kapoor deserved more respectful last event. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.